humans, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pavitra Shankar and this is a week in my life. So INI CET, which is the exam for central institutes like AIMS and PGI, uski PG entrance key exam is what is INI set, and uska finally date was announced yesterday, and it is on 22nd of July. So basically, day before yesterday, I had this live stream on this channel where we talked about how the uncertainty around these exams is killing us and is the main reason why we're not able to work. कल फिर उसके बाद में ऐसा डेस्टिनी ने ऐसा बोला चलो ठीक है देखते हैं how productive you are when you have the date. So yeah, here we have the date, and I have 1 month exactly to prepare for it. Today is the 20th of June and the exam is on 22nd, like I said, and I have just started studying. Like, I am not thinking more. As of now, I'm not concentrating on making a strategy or anything like that, because like we talked about this even on the live stream, we are in a constant, at least I am in a constant state of motion and not action, which is a concept which I read in Atomic Habits, which basically says that I'm always preparing and planning and thinking about how I would work, but I'm not really working. And this was going on since a long time, and however productive it might feel to watch productivity videos online or read self-help books and be motivated, ultimately the only thing that is actually going to get you started and get you out of this misery is actually doing the job. And to be honest, now I just want to get this over with. Like, lelo exam, I will never be 100% prepared. That's never going to happen. Medicine is vast. So yeah, let's prepare for this exam. So this is the plan for today. I am going to study anatomy today. Maybe not the best choice. I'm going to do embryology, histology, neuroanatomy, and a little bit of head and neck. Now, before you call me over ambitious, I'm using the rapid revision series of Prep Ladder, which is pretty short and pretty concise, so it is possible to cover all these subjects in a day if you actually go at it. So I'll try to do the same, and yeah, let's see what happens. I will be honest though, I haven't really been able to move as quickly as I usually do through even though I have read the syllabus quite a few times. But yeah, I think the only way to fasten it up is just by keeping at it, not leaving it in between. So I'm going to study for some more time, and then I'm going to have a haircut because clearly I feel shitty with these hairs. Are we on again? Hi guys, so the day is almost over. It's about 11 p.m. right now, and I had planned so much, and I know I was over enthusiastic, but today, is one of those days when like life comes in the way of doing things. Whenever I look at all these college YouTube videos, everybody seems to like not have an issue with having all their day to yourself and being productive all day every day, because nothing comes in the way. There's no family, there is no household work, there's literally nothing that you have to do. And that's rare. I don't know how many people have that, because I was so stoked about doing so many things today and actually hitting my goals, and it was doable, to be honest. I know it for the fact that it was not something unachievable, but yeah, so something came up and I had to attend to that, and बहुत time चला गया उसमें, and now it's night. This is why I do not like to plan stuff, because something always comes up and it's just disappointing and frustrating, and yeah.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air.
मेरे रंग में रंगने वाले परी हो या हो परियों की रानी, या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी.
Hey, well, I know that's hard to get you to believe me, but I just want you to know that if you're ever feeling down or depressed, and you just feel like everything's wrong with your life and you want it to stop, just know that there are people there for you, whether you're aware of it or not. It's a really hard time for you, I promise you. It just takes time and a little bit of effort. I know you won't believe me at first, but you just have to have a little bit of faith and a little bit of hope.
So humans, welcome back, and guess who is on a spicy 4 hours of sleep, even though I have like the whole day to myself and I can like literally choose to complete my sleep and fix my sleep wake cycle every single day since the past 6 months. Oh yes, it is me. I have slept for only 4 hours for no real reason, to be honest. Like there's no reason why my sleep cycle should be so dug up, but here we are. Welcome to the first ever episode of Insomnia Stories with me, featuring our very old friend PMS. So last night, like all nights, I was overthinking things in my head and creating problems which don't even exist and trying to solve them. So last night, basically, on a serious note, I went down this spiral and I was talking to myself about how weird it is that I earned not much but something for a whole year, and now since the past six months I am on zero salary except the one promotion and sponsorship I got on this channel in this month only. Apart from that, I have like no real salary right now, and how like I am 22 years out of these 23 years have been me not being paid and not having a salary. But that 1 year when I did get a salary, it did spoil me quite a lot, to say the least. And this is something I had foreseen some months back when I was sitting there in the surgery wards, looking around, seeing the empty wards, thinking to myself, oh, what a good life, having like the third Zomato order of the day, every single day, every single week, for 2 months straight, even at the time of a pandemic, just because I thought stress eating could help me. Zomato and Swiggy owe me like 2 lakh rupees, and they haven't really given me that money yet. I tried contacting them, but also a lot of you guys have asked me about my salary when I was an intern. So disclaimer before I tell you that, I know that there are a lot of medical colleges in India which pay way less to their interns, which is so unfair. So like basically the internship is 1 year. I'll tell you what the work is, and then you can tell me if the salary was justified. So I was, and just so you know, I was pretty okay with my salary, because like it wasn't that bad. So the internship is for 1 year, and you have to go through several rotations. That is, every once in a while you are given a new department. So for example, I had like medicine for 2 months, and then psychiatry for 15 days, and then ENT for 15 days, and then surgery for 2 months. Then after a while there was PSM for 2 months, blah 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 blah. But like all the clinical subjects are covered that way, like most of them at least. And and you have to work there basically as an intern, but what you do end up doing is working as a peon and as a nurse and as a ward boy and literally everything else other than seeing patients. So yeah, I mean, I think I've done the job for like at least 3 other job titles. So give me all your money. So that's the job, and the shifts are obviously insane. Granted that there are some postings where you just have to go like at like 9 and come back at 4, but they are very few. For like the majority of the year, you are supposed to be doing 12-hour shifts, or at least 6-hour shifts, or 24-hour shifts. Yes, I remember surgery में यार at least we मतलब 1 महीने में, 1 नहीं 2 महीने के अंदर I think we pulled off somewhat around 20 to 25 24-hour shifts, and that's a lot. And you're not sitting all the time, you're literally pretty much running from here and there all the time. But yeah. So even though people might just not treat us with the least bit of respect, we did do quite a lot of stuff now if I think about it. So now let's talk about money, honey. My salary was 25,000 a month, out of which tax deduction hoke I used to get 23,500 rupees every month. The salary did not come every month. My first salary was somewhere around the month of April, but I'd started working in January, and my last salary and my last paycheck came in January this year. Now I can go on more about it, and I can't tell you how I spent all of that money, because but I feel since nobody asked me, I'm not going to do that. If you do want to know about that, please tell me. And yeah, that's that. So now after all that free therapy I just gave myself, I am now going to go and do some Anki, because I'm told it's good and I tried it and it's actually good. So yeah, and then yeah, it's pretty much studying all day, getting some coffee, and then again studying pretty much all day. That's my life, and I don't think there's anything interesting that's going to happen the whole day anymore. So I'm going to end the vlog here, and I have to edit it and upload it tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be a task. that'll be a task. All right, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you the next time, and if there's anything you want me to talk about, let me know. Bye bye.